Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making a tortilla stuffed crust pepperoni pizza. So let's get started. To make our tortilla stuffed crust pepperoni pizza here, we have mozzarella cheese, we have a Fiesta blend cheese, we have our pepperoni, and we have our tomato sauce. So let's get started. Let's spray our pan with a little bit of oil here. Let's take a large tortilla here, put it in the middle. Now we're going to take our Fiesta cheese blend here, and we're going to put it around the edge. We just love our cheese. Okay, we'll spritz a little bit in the middle here to help stick everything together. Okay, pull everything in from the edge here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of water here and we're going to wet the edges. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take another tortilla and put it right on top of that, over top of our cheese. And you can take a lid, it's got a ridge around the edge, and you can put it right in the middle there, and you can push down firmly. Okay, just like that. And it seals it all the way around. See it? Beautiful. Now we have like a little pocket in the middle here, and our cheese is going to melt and form a crust. Can you see it? Makes a pocket. Yep, very good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little sauce in the middle here. Spread it around. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our mozzarella, spritz that on top. We love our mozzarella. It's all stringy and gooey. Plus with that Fiesta blend that's in the crust, that's going to be really good. Okay, now we're going to take our pepperoni and just put them around there. Now we're going to take what's left of our mozzarella here and we'll spritz that on top, because we love our cheese. Okay, that ought to do it. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put that in a preheated 400-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. I'll see you in 8 to 10 minutes. Boy, that sounds good. Okay, our tortilla stuffed crust pepperoni pizza is done. Let's get that out of there. Wow. Can you see it? Boy, is that nice looking. Look at that. Cheese on there. Yep, this is going to taste good. Okay, let's plate that up and have a taste test. Okay, here it is, guys. Look at that, would you? Boy, is that nice looking. Look at the pepperoni and all that sauce and cheese that's in there. And the stuffed crust is loaded with cheese. Yeah, this is going to taste good. Okay, we're going to add a little bit of salt. Not much. Tiny bit of pepper, because we like pepper. A little bit of garlic powder here. And to kick it up a notch, a little bit of red pepper. Yeah, just red pepper flakes here. A little bit of oregano. And we're going to top it off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Okay. Boy, does that look good. Smells even better. Okay, let's cut into our stuffed crust pepperoni pizza here. Let's see how we're doing. Okay guys, let's just have a little taste. Wow, it's kind of hot there. I might have to use a spatula here to get under there. The pan's still hot. Can you see it? Wow. Look at that. Alright, let me pick it up. Okay. Look at that pizza. Tortilla stuffed crust pepperoni pizza with a lot of cheese. Yep. Boy, is this going to taste good. Wow. Really good. Alright, let's just have a little bite. Wow, look at the cheese. Man, I'm telling you, this is good. Boy, is that tasty. Yep. And the crust is done just nice. It's tiny bit crunchy, but very hot. This pan keeps everything nice and hot. It's a cast iron griddle. It keeps everything warm. You could put it on the table, and when you sit down to eat, it's still warm. That's what's good about cast iron. Tortilla stuffed crust pepperoni pizza. Yeah, it just doesn't get any better than this. This is better than takeout. Boy, is this tasty. Yep, you know what to go good with that right there? A nice wobble pop. Yep, that sounds good. Yeah, I think I'm going to have one. Or maybe two. Okay guys, if you're enjoying these videos, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Good.